Corporate servers log every prompt and monitor your questions in real time, building a permanent telemetry record of your data. To get access to that intelligence, you trade your privacy. Opaque safety systems sit between you and the model, scanning your inputs to decide if your query aligns with corporate guidelines. Ask for something as benign as a PowerShell script for local network management, and you might hit a hard-coded refusal. The system flags the request and shuts down the generation. Relying on cloud AI means your queries are filtered through opaque safety layers, adding a layer of corporate oversight to your technical research. The alternative is to pull the processing power completely off the grid, using an untraceable ghost drive. This setup puts an artificial intelligence that rivals early versions of ChatGPT onto a portable stick. It operates entirely without an internet connection and leaves zero trace on the host computer. Shifting the cognitive engine from a corporate server farm into your pocket allows you to reclaim digital sovereignty. The physical baseline for this project starts with high-speed hardware. You need a USB 3.2 Gen 2 drive with at least 64 gigabytes of capacity to handle the necessary data transfer rates. Before loading any data, this physical drive must be formatted to the exFAT file system. This widely recognized file format strips away modern platform limitations. By using exFAT, the drive is instantly readable across entirely different software ecosystems. This formatting choice makes the AI Vault operating system agnostic, so it functions seamlessly on a Mac, Windows, or Linux machine. Running a local AI usually requires a maze of dependencies. You typically have to install complex host machine software, configure specific environments, and manage heavy setup protocols. We bypass that bottleneck using Llamafile. It packages the massive large language model into a single executable binary file. Llamafile utilizes cosmopolitan libc, allowing the file to achieve zero-dependency execution. It branches directly into any environment without translation layers. Once executed, it dynamically scans the host system, automatically detecting and utilizing any available GPU acceleration to speed up processing. There is only one manual step required. If you are a Windows user, you must append a .exe extension to the file name to force the system to recognize it as an executable. Cosmopolitan libc turns a static file into a portable runtime. You plug in the drive, click the file, and the AI boots up in your browser without any installation on the host computer. And now we need the cognitive engine. The immediate challenge is figuring out how to fit a massive, server-sized artificial intelligence onto a standard consumer USB stick. We use Q4 or Q5 quantized GGUF models. This mathematically compresses the neural network's weights, drastically reducing file size without destroying core reasoning. For an uncensored drive, you select specific abliterated models, like Dolphin or Qwen 3. These abliterated versions are explicitly trained to strip away corporate guardrails. They remove the telemetry hooks and hard-coded refusal phrases embedded by default in cloud models. This restores utility. You can conduct uninhibited hacking research, generate unrestricted local code scripts, and explore raw creative writing. Combining quantized compression with an obliterated neural architecture yields a capable, uninhibited brain that fits in your pocket. Carrying this much raw capability in the physical world creates a specific security risk. If you lose the flash drive in transit, whoever finds it has total physical access to your unfiltered chat logs, personal code repositories, and sensitive problem-solving research. Without strict access controls, a drive carrying sensitive, uncensored data becomes a significant liability the moment it leaves your site. To secure this data, you must apply built-in system encryption tools like BitLocker for Windows or FileVault for Mac to lock the entire drive. This animation shows the mechanics of that final barrier. Encryption applies a cryptographic cipher that mathematically guarantees the data remains inaccessible to anyone who finds the physical hardware. The complete architecture is now functional. Encrypted physical hardware, cosmopolitan libc handling the cross-platform execution, and obliterated cognitive models delivering the intelligence. Building this encrypted ghost drive moves the processing to local hardware, ensuring your data and the intelligence used to process it belong only to you.